Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of Gigabyte. So first you have to come to this site gigabyte.com and then search and then enter your model number of your motherboard which is downloaded and then hit enter B86 D2H. Click on the product, click off the title here, then click to support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So select any because the installation process is same. Audio driver and this audio size and click to download. It is downloaded, just open and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. This is installing. And then close it. Automatically close, guys. This is installed. Chipset. Try to this one. See, this is downloading. Wait to complete. Then it is done and opens and double click to exe. Click to yes. Now this is installing. So this is automatic close, means this is installed. And then it is close and LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, click to download. Wait few seconds to complete and then open and try to install. So it is completed. To open this LAN driver, so this is the extracted driver and double click to launch for exe. Click to yes. Now this is installing. It will close means this is installed. VGA driver. Click to download. So guys, then double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extract. So this is installing. And this is closed means this is installed. And then close.